I'm pretty good so far. I had a very nice trading day so far, $14,000 profit, 12,000 on Tesla, TSLL so far 1,700. So it's doing pretty good in our bank account. Rocket Lab.
Rocket Lab is really, I don't know if there's some news on that because it's certainly making a move this morning. Um, don't see any don't see any big news here on Rocket Lab. So let's light this candle. Tesla's selling off. Tesla's got some really big orders just below where we are right now. My wall feels so bare behind me.
No, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. The new one is gonna come soon. Oracle, Silver, Rigetti. Rigetti is up to 22. So I'm not really a big fan of anything right now. Rocket Lab is good. That's the only thing that seems to me have some volume. But I'm not
Tesla's really dropping here. Okay, ding, ding, ding. Here we go.
Qs are gonna go green. Qs popped up. Ding, ding, ding.
And we cleaned out those shares quickly.
Tesla went red.
Yeah, Tesla went red. It really, it had a lot of orders. Still has a lot of orders to the downside.
Rocket Lab. Nothing Tesla. Nope. NVIDIA. No.
Short a bit of Tesla. Oh, nice drop. Here we go. I'm just going to cover some here. Trading 460, trading the 460 puts. I'll take that. Here we go.
Tesla has some big orders down.
Yeah, just covering some more. 905. big order at 950 or at 456, I should say. It's going to cover some more. Wow, what a nice drop on Tesla. I just got that trade completely was, I shouldn't say completely, was primarily based on trading Atlas. So kudos to Atlas for showing me all those orders to the downside.
Yeah, so I see the 455 is still there. So I don't know, should we get in there short too? See if we can get a pullback.
It's really extended.
Yeah, 455 is there. Gonna get a short here on Tesla, 457.50. You might not get a big pullback, so see if you can get to 455. I'm short Tesla as well. I get a partial fill here, but see if you can do one more drop towards 457. We have 455 here in the Atlas. Oh, there you go. So
here we go. Here we go.
I'm adding a little bit more on it. Put some orders at 455 to cover. I have some orders at 455 to cover. PLTR is strong. No, PLTR sold off for too long.
Yeah, PLTR just hasn't really done much selling. It's below yesterday's low right now. AMD's popping back up.
All right, I'm still short on Tesla. Nvidia is going down. Yeah, Google is hitting the scanner.
Yeah, so is AWS. Rivian's breaking down. Oh, here we go. Come on, let me hit them $10. Come on, $10. Come on. Here we go. $10 on these puts. Any takers?
Oh, there you go. Tesla's going.
It's coming. It's coming.
Are you sure Tesla still, Brian?
Yeah, I still have some puts.
Nice.
There we go.
55
There's my
is a
$10.
very big order. Nice. So market is slowly going down as well. So we have this really big order at 455. I have some orders to cover at 455.
All right. I'm almost out of my position here.
455. As you see, Market Atlas, guys, you get the big order in Market Atlas, 455.
There we
That's
go.
good, guys.
I got 1050. That's pretty much it
Nice.
for me.
454, I'm going to put some order to cover, guys.
Yeah, the markets, even the markets are choppy.
Very nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring my stop loss back to 457, which is my average point. Let's see if you can get one more drop. We have some order at 454. They're not crazy orders. If I zoom out a little bit, see what we have. Yeah, 454. There is some orders on the Atlas. Let's see if you can get there. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out of the break even. It might stay weak for the whole day, but obviously a pullback is expected. This 454 level is not as big as 455, so as you see, the orders are not as big as 454.5, so might not really get there without a big pullback. On the daily chart, daily chart on Tesla, yeah, there's some levels at around 450. I don't know,
Qs are dropping below pre-market low.
Well, that's good.
Okay, well, I'm pretty much done. So I'm going back to bed. We'll see you later.
Oh, really? That good? Was it that good?
I'm kidding.
I've never seen Brian going back to bed so early.
I'm kidding. No, that was really, that was like, this was the kind of thing I would do before work, just one and done. That's it. Sometimes it worked out really well.
All right, so let's see if Tesla can go toward 454, guys. So there you go, it's going down. Shorting Tesla was good. 450, 450. I'm covering some here just in case. Just to, never hurts to have some profit. S3 is at 453. I guess S3 would be a level that we might get.
Never hurts. Take some profits.
Yeah, it never hurts.
Yeah, SPY and Qs are dropping here. That's helping this trade. We're still trying to hold this level. It's this sort of pre-market low level.
Wow, Google had a really big drop. What the hell was that? Nice. All right.
What happened to Santa? Santa's already back at the North Pole. He's done.
Tesla S3 at 453.27, huh? All right.
Apple is Apple. What's Apple doing? Microsoft's just barely green. GLD green. Oh, look at that! Look at Tesla. Wow, where's the bottom? Let's see, 453 is S3.
Yeah, I have some orders at 453.30 and 454 to cover. See if you can get there. My average is 457. So as long as it doesn't stop me out at the average, I'm going to ride the wave down. think I should get to S3. That was a good short. Thanks for calling it, Brian. I wasn't really.
Yeah, no, we're hey, you could just tell, yeah, right at the open, um, right before the open, there was just a lot of orders stacked to the downside, just a ton of orders. So kind of gave me some confidence that, and the way it was trading pre-market, like it just was really starting to leak off. You could tell the sellers were there and they were chomping at the bit.
Oh, lovely.
So it set up quite nicely as a short. Q's and SPY, they still seem weak. There goes the SPY.
All right. Oh, I got filled at 454. That's good on Tesla. NVDA didn't do anything, huh? PLTR sold off. Broadcom is garbage. Rocket Lab sold off.
Tesla's bouncing back now. So I'd be watching the 9 EMA and the VWAP pretty close together.
AXTI.
Yeah, PLTR really dropped. Well, it actually didn't drop that much. It only dropped $2.50. SPY still weak.
Yeah, what's the SPY doing? PLTR. It's going back for it off today. Tesla. It's fighting back. Nice. All right, it's still short Tesla, guys. I'm still short on Tesla. I have some orders at 453.27, which is the S3. Let's see if we get there. We already showed a doji in 940 candlestick, which is not good, but we'll see how it goes. So Ram is asking a question. When did I short? Where did I put my stop loss? I think my stop loss when I put it, it was just not above the VWAP, but some a pullback around 458.50 around this area. So that would have been my risk. And as you see, I kind of partialed around the first risk to reward and the second risk to reward. You know, if you want to put your stop loss at the above the VWAP, that's a really big risk. Like that's very questionable. So I wanted to, you know, give it a little bit more, less room. All right, let's see if this
There's,
pullback on VWAP is gonna survive or not.
the order book is looking a little bullish, actually.
Yeah, zooming out, SPY looks like it. Yeah, really, the order
I don't
book
know what
doesn't
happened.
show anything.
I don't know what happened with the SPY, but just it's ripping higher now. It's like we're going to go green on the SPY.
Yeah, it looks like it. Benzinga didn't announce anything. There's no news or anything, huh?
Don't know. I didn't. Yeah, Tesla's looking like well, if it's going to fail, it's going to fail right around here because this is the VWAP.
Wow. All right, so market seems that it's really popping up.
Yeah, there
So I'm
goes
following my
there
short,
goes the
guys.
SPY. It's gone green.
Did Benzinga announce anything or no? Looks like a nice
Didn't
pop.
hear anything.
I got out of it. I stopped my short. Yeah, it was completely now.
I don't know what there is some news at 9 o'clock, but we're not 9 o'clock. Yeah, there was some news at 9 o'clock, but I don't think there was any scheduled economic news. Qs are going to go green here too. Wow, what a bounce back. Didn't see that coming. Qs are green.
Yeah, well, I got out of Tesla short.
LTR coming back up. AMD coming back up.
Yeah.
Well, AMD's through yesterday's high. SPY is still strong. Huh. Interesting. Wow, what a crazy reversal.
That was Chicago PMI.
945.
945, yeah. Maybe that, yeah, that's the one that came greener.
Bit of a 920 on Tesla right now. I don't think I'm going to take that trade. Although it's tempting.
Have you guys heard Benzinga today? I haven't heard of it. Not at all, huh?
Mm.
PLTR is coming back. NVIDIA. Let's see what Tesla is doing. Tesla, some order now 459. Well, I had a pretty good day on Tesla. All right, spies.
Hey, I've taken a 920 trade, but it's just a paper trade because I don't want to screw up my day. Yeah, I don't like the way although the Qs and the SPY do look like they exhausted. Buyers got exhausted there. So this could have been a good 920 trade.
MSTR.
Yeah, it was NVIDIA did 922. That was the 20 was just above VWAP. Yeah, see, Tesla's really still looking a little bit strong here.
Yeah, 945 turned out to be very bullish.
Yeah,
Now it's making a higher, high, higher low. I don't like it for a short. It's getting very
no.
bullish. What's AMD doing?
Got a little long on the SPY here, just trading some 688 calls. See if we can break out here. The Qs are breaking out. We're right at pre-market high.
Oh, Tesla is completely bounced back. It's gonna go green, I guess.
But it looks like, yeah.
So that's good. That risk management is really important, guys. Here, so what you see, you partial, you get out, and then you really don't wish that it's gonna go back to the way that you want it. So as soon as it came back to my break even stop loss, I got out, and then that's it. I don't have wishful thinking. I'm not adding to my losing position, even though I left a lot of profit on the table. But that's how trading is.
All right. Well, I'm going to take sell some of this 688 calls now.
Meta. What Zuckerberg is doing.
Wow. Thanks for mentioning that higher low. That was looking at it, and then that was really that pullback was just an ABCD pattern on SPY. Yeah, look at Tesla's going to go green.
Wow, Tesla is really making higher lows. That's pretty strong.
Nate's back with the money monkey.
Guys, in Trading Terminal, we launched our journaling tool that you can connect a lot of brokers to your journal. So if you're part of a journal, if you're part of Trading Terminal, you have a tab now that you can actually connect your brokers and even your DAS to Trading Terminal. So it's a soft launch. Go through it. If you have any question, let us know. And yeah, I hope that's a good start in our journaling tool.
Nice.
So you can email info at Trading Terminal if there is an issue. Or there's a support tab here. You can just post it there, or you can just always email me directly, and I'll forward it to the team. So Steve is automatic for a lot of brokers. So you just have to create a token and authorization with interactive brokers and other brokers. So it will be mostly automatic. Some brokers that are not supported, you can download and upload.
Meta's breaking out nicely. Really broke out right at the open there. Anyone trade Meta, Harvey? Trade it? It's coming up to an area where I would say there's probably some resistance. Nice trade, Nate. Yeah, 660 calls would have been really good. Right near in the money. Yeah, Meta had a nice trade opportunity there. Broke out, pulled back, bounced off the VWAP, moved higher. Yeah, this 673 area could be an area where there'd be some resistance. Back on the 22nd, we had 673.58 as a high. And then we've got 677 roughly back in early December. 676. Wow, Spiro rolled over. Yeah, I heard that. Yeah, I heard the news this morning about them acquiring a AI agent or something. Wow. Okay, we're getting a pullback on the markets now. I'm out of my SPY position.
All right, NVDA is see what the order flow on NVDA at 188 is the order. So the colors on the market atlas, it shows the strength of the levels. The darker the color that goes toward red, it means that there are bigger orders stacking up there. Someone asked that, I think I forgot to answer.
Yeah, you can also see how big the orders are by looking at the left-hand side of the screen. They just use a kind of a bar chart, and the bigger the bar, the larger the orders, number of orders there are there. And you can also look on it on there and just see exactly how many orders are there.
Rocket Lab sold off.
Yeah, same with it's just moving with the market.
Yeah.
By the looks of it, to me, just looking at ASTS right now, it was popping on the scanner earlier. Yeah, Rocket Lab's actually low of day. Everybody's going to space. That's someplace you haven't been yet.
Space. Yeah, I know. I mean, hopefully, Mr. Musk
Maybe
and
you,
Mr. Bezos take us there.
yeah, maybe you can get a ride on Origin
Yeah,
with
the
Katy Perry. Maybe Katy Perry will take you up. Exactly. She'll take Andrew up instead of that stupid Daisy. Although I hear she's dating our prime minister, ex-prime minister. Exactly. Yeah. You got to know what's going on.
all right. Justin, what did you trade? Nice. Silver, 3.7%. Tesla. Tesla is still hovering near green, huh? Just wanted to stop us out.
Yeah. It's just now the market's pulled back again. Sellers are back. We're back at the VWAP on the Q on the SPY. Yeah, this is like yesterday. It's just like we're just all over the place.
So Samid, so how much profit? I think it was about 20% of my profit left in that for last portion on Tesla.
The cues are bouncing off the VWAP. I've had a few oil stocks are getting bid up today. Devon Energy is scanner, Oxy I saw earlier. Mm. Tesla's gone green. It's going, yeah. Keep that out. AMD is looking like it's going to head lower here. There's still that order at 458 on Tesla sitting down there. I wouldn't be surprised to see it come back down and at some point and pick up those orders.
Exactly, Zombie. That's the goal. That is the goal. How's Peter and Carlos are doing? What are they doing? Spy rolled over.
Yeah, we've lost the VWAP. Scotty, you want a toque or a beanie?
Netflix.
We do have some swag. I don't know that we have toques.
Very nice. Rigetti. Oh, Rigetti is absolutely disgusting. Nvidia looks like it wants to go down, but it's also pretty disgusting. Nvidia is at the low of the day, it's fighting back. Tesla is rejecting previous day.
Yeah, like I said, there's this order at 458. I think it's coming down to get it now. Yeah, Spy is almost back to where we started after that big pop.
Yeah, I just wanted to
So,
destroy our Tesla trade.
yeah.
That pop on Tesla on Spy. Megan, what did you trade?
Megan was watching AMD and Rocket Lab.
Paris traded Nvidia very nicely. Oh, nice
I
short.
don't know if she traded them.
Yes, coming. So there's a new update coming on Atlas very soon that really helps us into the price. It's more smoother, and also it's better to move. I think in the next few days we might release it. So
Okay, there you go. It took those orders out, 458. Now it looks like now they'll probably bring it back up again. And that was a bounce off the View app too on Tesla. Because the order book actually looks a little still looks a little bullish again. Yeah, SPY's making new low of day. Qs are getting close to there. Should have taken a long on Tesla there.
I don't know. Tesla is really.
No, just that bounce off the View app was a pretty pretty safe bet. Especially with the order book looking a little bullish. No, nice, Will. You took a long there. Yeah, that was a pretty safe bet with Tesla. Tesla likes to stick with those levels or trade off those levels. SPY is bouncing a bit. Q's bouncing a bit.
Google went red after that big pop, huh?
Google.
Yeah, that big pop on SPY at 9:45 kind of messed up the whole
Yeah.
our whole short trade.
Well, I was already out at that point, but
I still had some position.
I know you wanted it a little lower. Probably would have worked out.
Yeah, if it was that rip at 9:45.
CPRT. Yeah, what was that big spike on Google at the open? That was crazy. It didn't even wasn't even setting up in the pre-market for a run.
All right, SPY made a new low. That's interesting. Just stupid.
Yeah, there's definitely some selling pressure here.
All right, I had a good trade. So I mean, it's okay if there's nothing, as long as you had a good day, good trade. You just relax and chill, and you don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
Tesla, they took the 458 trade long, huh? Maybe Tesla wants to go back up. Maybe we take a long on TSLL. What do you think, Brian?
There's definitely some orders there. There's orders at 459, 460.
I'm gonna take a long
I'd
on
say,
TSLL at 1993. Let's see if you can get the red to green. If he doesn't want to go down, might as well just go up before TSLL is the red to green. Put a stop loss at 1985. Out of boredom.
always a good trade. Always a good reason to take a trade.
AMD looks like a launch. Let's see. AMD, wow, yeah. AMD's squeezed back up. Tesla.
Yeah, took out that order at 459.
Tesla. Buying selling some shares at 20, 2005, 2010. I put some orders. Oh, I got filled at 20. That's good. Let's see if you can get filled at 20.
Here we go. Here's your 460 right here.
Some orders up there. Nice. 2005. Get filled. Nice. Let's see if you can get to 2015. Nice. 2010 on TSLL. If you can get to 461, that would be nice. Come on, come on, come on. Tesla 461.
The cues are coming back up here. Yeah, nice move back on Tesla.
Yeah, I have some orders. Oh, there you go. 2015, that would be nice.